Right, so again, quick skim over the table, won't take long. So we've got chard, scrappy bits of onions. Oh, we're back with beans again, thank goodness. So I think we had 2-3 weeks without beans. Nice new season beetroot, little pups off the cabbages, as well as the cabbages. Brussels sprout leaves, kale, oh, some little courgette cakes. Loads of these lovely summer squashes. I'm really happy with those. And carrots looking really fine actually. Very few forked. Really nice. These are baby sugar snacks. They're not very baby because they've been left in the ground a bit too long. I think that one actually split. There's only had one split so far. It's not bad. Yeah, lots of lovely peppers. And lots of lovely summer leeks. Blueberries, pears. Oh, and the summer spinach. So I did a video all about the summer spinach and how I grew it. So very happy with that. It's as good as spinach in spring, I think. And yeah, strawberries off the ever-bearing plants. And tomatoes, second to last pick probably of the ones from the greenhouse. So these are super early ones. We've been harvesting these for 13 weeks now. And we've got, oh, get out in focus, I don't know. Some of them splitting, unfortunately, but that's just the way it is. And the salad mixes, so lots of cucumbers in here, and carrots, and golden purslane, and salad onions, and salad onion tops, and obviously lots of lettuce and spinach and things like that. So quite a nice salad mix. I'll just add the tomatoes to that, and I'm all done. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.